Hello everyone, I am back with more branches as you all demanded. The next branch I am discussing is MS Orthopaedics and with the general category and the government colleges, the last seat allotted, how much marks and how much rank was the last seat allotted for the MS Orthopaedics in 2018 Neet PG counseling are as follows now. So in round 1 in general category in Neet PG 2018 national counseling, uh, 4439 rank and 655 marks were required for the last seat in round 1, and in round 2 4703 4,703 with 652 marks were required for the last seat in second round, extended up to that rank in general category. And now for the OBC category, in round 1 4,303 rank and 657 marks for the last seat allotted for the MS Orthopedics in OBC category in Neet PG 2018 National Counseling. And in second round 3,527 rank and 631 marks for the last seat of MS Orthopedics in OBC category. And now for the SC category, the round 1 rank is 14,442 rank with 552 marks, and in round 2 17,043 rank with 534 marks were required by the candidates to gain the last seat for the MS Orthopedics in SC category in Neet PG 2018 National Counseling. And now in the ST category, in round 1 the rank required is 26,976 rank and 475 marks, and in round 2 32,738 rank and 446 marks were required to get that MS Orthopedics in ST category in Neet PG 2018 National Counseling. And now in general physical handicap category, students got the last seat at rank in round 1 63,203 and 325 marks, and the same rank and same marks for in the second round also. So in this is general physical handicap. Now SC category physical handicap candidates, no seats were allotted for the branch. And for the OBC physical handicap category students, in round 1 the last seat was allotted at 44,816 rank and 392 marks and didn't extend to round 2 counseling. So this is all for MS Orthopedics and all the categories. The last seat and marks required for the branch as gained by the candidates in Neet PG 2018 National Counseling. Hope you like it.